Now, if you're outside of US and you make money online, one of the most challenging things is how to get your money. Now, if you want to get this money cash like me, then you can use Payoneer. And I'm going to be showing you how you can use Payoneer to receive money. That is how you can use Payoneer to create bank accounts, multiple bank accounts that you can use to receive payment effortlessly and then withdraw that to your local bank account. And all you have to do is to please come closer and let's dive in. Now, to get started, all you have to do is to come over to payoneer.com and create an account if you don't have an account. I've done a tutorial on this in the past. I'm going to be leaving it in the description, or you can click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video, to learn how you can safely create an account on Payoneer. And once you are done with that, you just follow these steps. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on sign in. So now that I've signed in, the next thing you want to do is to come over here and click on get paid. So here you can see request a payment, batch payment request to multiple payers, receiving accounts. So you're going to go ahead and click on receiving account. So here you can see get bank account details in the countries where you get paid. Receiving accounts give you bank account details in different countries and currencies. Now, this is amazing. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on get started. And here you can see get local bank account details to do business in countries where you need to receive bank transfers in local currency or require a local bank presence. So here I'm just going to go ahead and click next. And here you have different countries here. You have USA, you have Euro, you have UK, you have Japan, you have Canada, you have Australia, you have UAE, that is Dubai. So I'm going to go ahead and select one. I'm going to select USA, and I'm also going to select UK, and maybe I'm going to select Canada as well. So I'm going to select Canada. And that is all for now. I'm still going to add more, but just for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. And you are requesting receiving accounts for the countries listed below. Before issuing your account, we may ask you for some information to help us verify your identity and business. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on submit requests. So here you can see to open your receiving account, please provide us with the documents listed below. So you can see government issued photo ID. I've already submitted this. You can see it's already submitted, so I don't have any problem. So if you have not done that, you can use your permanent national ID card. You can use the driver's license. You can use your international passport. They are all accepted on Payoneer. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on receiving account questionnaire. So we'll click on submit. So here you have a receiving account questionnaire. Answer the questions below. If we need more information about your business in the future, we'll contact you by email. Not sure how to answer any of those questions? Click here. So if you're not sure how to answer the questions, go ahead and click on frequently asked questions. So what do you mainly use Payoneer for? To receive accounts from marketplaces. I sell on Amazon, Etsy, Wayfair, Google, Apple, to receive payments from businesses I work with. So of course, this is the one that I fall into. So yes, this one and also this one. So these two applies to me. You can go ahead and choose whichever one that is applicable to you, and that's all good. So here you select the categories that best describes your line of business. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on EdTech and Education. Select the description that most accurately describes what you do. You click on Education, briefly describe your business. For example, who are your customers? What services or products do you provide? So here I'm just going to go ahead and say I am a digital skills coach and I teach people digital skills and how to use the skills to make money online. So here it said provide the URL to your business website or online store web page. So here I'm a YouTuber. All I have to do here is to just go ahead and type in my YouTube channel address, which is / Seven Figure Boss Academy. Yep, like this. And here, what is the connection to the web page or URL provided? Of course, I own. What is your business average monthly payment volume? So here I'm just going to go ahead and select between 10,000 to 20,000, but it can be anything for you, right? And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on submit. So here you can see we are verifying your details. It usually takes up to 3 business days and we'll email you when done. We may require additional information to complete the review. If so, we'll let you know by email. Let's go ahead and see if they have created our bank account, because originally it doesn't take up to 1 minute to create it. Now let me show you. Let's go over to our email, and here you can see the email and you can see the time. So this is the first email that I got. That was 1 minute ago. So here is USA USD, and this is the account number. You can see that my account number has been created. So to view your bank account, all you have to do is to click on get paid, and then you're going to see receiving account. Click on receiving account, and voila, here is our bank account. The bank account I just requested for now. You can see Canadian bank account, you can see UK, you can see USA. So I can receive money from Canada now. You can just do your transfer without any stories. Just do transfer and I get it immediately. And the same thing for UK and the same thing for USA. So if you're not satisfied with this number of accounts, the next thing you can do is to click on request accounts, and you can go ahead and request more bank accounts, and they are going to create all that for you. And if you're looking to open a verified PayPal account that is free from limitations, restrictions, and all of that, then here is a video tutorial that I made recently that is going to help you open a working PayPal account. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.